Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you remove your Google Chat from Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove your Google Chats from your Gmail, you just simply have to open your Gmail application. And after opening the Gmail application, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Among them, you just simply have to select three bars into the top left corner. Simply tap there and then select settings at the very bottom. Now, after selecting settings, just simply select the Google account for which you want to disable the Google Chats. And after selecting the Google account, you will get to see a bunch of options again. Now, you just simply have to scroll down to the general section and then you will get to see this box into the chat section is checked. Just simply uncheck the box, and after doing that, your Gmail app will restart and the chat section will successfully be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.